So let's say you have a programming pseudocode like this right here. So you can see that it says begin step 1, and then it says prompt the user to input the first number. Then you got print read number 1, then you got step 2, and so forth right here, as you can see right here. So using the pseudocode like this, I can simply go ahead and say, using this pseudocode, generate a C# programming code. So I can simply go ahead and then type this in right here. And once you do that, you can see that it takes this particular code right here, that is the pseudocode, and converts it into a C# code. So you can go ahead and copy this and then go around onto a compiler, and then you can go ahead and paste this out and then hit the run button. And then once you do that, you can see that you get the first number, you got the second number right here, and you get the output right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and then, let's say for example, run it out. So you can see that I got the first number. It actually shows an error. Let's just go ahead and try that out again. So 67, 78, and then you can see that this is the output right here. So that is how you can go ahead and convert out your pseudocode to an actual programming code using Qwen as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe